level measurement needs are diverse, and so are the tanks, vessels, or places where radar transmitters are installed. Traditionally, these diverse setups have brought about concerns regarding nozzle placement and internal obstructions, making reliable measurements a challenge. But now, you can be confident that your non-contacting level transmitter will deliver reliable performance in any application. This is made possible by the innovative Smart Echo Supervision technology in the Rosemount non-contacting radar transmitters, which identifies and suppresses false echoes automatically and focuses on what matters, the real product surface. Tested on more than 10,000 applications in different industries to bring you the peace of mind you need for your level measurements. For more information, visit us on www.emerson.com/Rosemount non-contacting radar.